Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this course we'll learn about vegetables and spices production, and the contents are here. We'll learn from this course introduction to vegetables and spices, or horticulture, then olericulture, that means vegetable production, then vegetables contribution, importance of vegetables, problems related to vegetable production, then nutrient source, deficiency, symptoms of vegetables, then classification of vegetables, different types of classification of vegetables such as growing habit, life cycle, different type of classification we'll learn about. Then we'll know production technology of onion, garlic, potato, lettuce, brinjal, tomato, cabbage, cauliflower, bottle gourd, cucumber, chili, turmeric, ginger, carrot, radish. All these vegetables will know how to cultivate, and A to Z technology of production. So let's get started. Firstly, I would like to tell about the horticulture and olericulture. We already know about the horticulture. Horticulture is gaining importance as it gives more returns per unit area and also gives nutritious food to human beings. Thereby improves quality of life and enhances aesthetic beauty of nature. Vegetable growing is one of the major branches of horticulture. In view of value the products, it is the most important branch. The branch that deals with the production, management and utilization of vegetables and spices is called olericulture. That means olericulture is the branch of horticulture which deals with the management and utilization of vegetables and spices. So vegetables are defined as edible herbaceous plants, parts consumed as raw after cooking, and rich in vitamins and minerals, low in calorific value. So we'll learn also some different definition of vegetables. Here is two type of definitions. Definition on: vegetables are the products of herbaceous plants which are annuals, biennial or perennials, mostly annual, whose plant parts such as fruits, leaves, roots, stems, petioles, flowers, etc. are used for culinary purpose or consumed as raw. So this is the definition on, and the definition 2: those products of herbaceous plants, mostly annual, which provide fresh material for culinary purposes and generally cooked before consumption or used as raw or salad, are called vegetables. Few exceptions are jackfruit, woody plant but used as raw, lotus, flower or vegetable, and banana, papaya, fruit or vegetable. Both can be used as fruit or vegetable or flower vegetable. So that is exceptional. So this was the basic things or definition of vegetables or olericulture. In the next video we'll learn more about this part. Thanks for watching.